Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Ram Bighorn Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number E1699A. 40,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Ram brand new, Granite Crystal Metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Includes 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seat 6 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space, with more storage underneath. Power sliding rear window. Matching fiberglass cap. With locking tailgate, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Spray and bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Bighorn has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats along with heated steering wheel, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. Otherwise up and out of the way for a middle passenger with even more storage underneath. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and sliding rear window control. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7 liter HEMI V8, 395 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles per gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.